Well, boys, here you guys see the error appeared. We started recording our system. Here you guys can see crashed 300 signal. We also dropped the signal in our Telegram group, official Telegram group, where people make profit from the signal. Here you guys can see the arrows appeared, waiting for spike, and stop loss is max 4 candles and average 3 candles. Sometimes it take 4 candles to drop the spike. Here you people see the market is smoothly moving upward. We are holding these trades. We have multiple positions on crush 300 index. Here you guys can see we're holding these trades and waiting for a spike. Let's see when the spike appear and we earn the profit. Here you see after this is the second candle. Let's see when the spike appear and how actually it works. Here you people can see check it guys. Market is moving upward, holding these trades. Crush 300. We're waiting for the spike. Once the spike appears, we're gonna close this trade in profit. Holding multiple positions. If you guys want to have this system, check the description. Discount is available. If you guys want a testable signal, check our Telegram link. Join the Telegram group and have test signals.